2021 to 2024 Ford F-150 USB charger replacement. I'm in the XL, but this could work for other F-150s, whatever has this port right here in the front. I'm going to show you how to change it. It's not too bad. First, we want to get a plastic interior pry bar tool. These are like $5 on Amazon. I'll link it below. We're going to go in from the left side and the right side only, not the top and the bottom. And what you want to do is just come in from the left and push this between the little USB port panel and the dash panel. It's going to be kind of tight, but you're going to push it in there and then just kind of twist the bar, the interior bar, to kind of push it out a little bit. And then you're going to put your finger in here and hold it so it can't go back into place, and then we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. So this is what it looks like. Hold your finger right here so it can't jump back into place. Go over here and do the same thing. Twist the plastic interior bar and then it'll pop out, and then you could just gently grab it and pull it forward. Don't rip it forward because there's wire harnesses on there. You gotta be very careful with these wire harnesses. There's two connectors. One is a little thumb tab right here. You just push this thumb tab and pull the connector back. Do not pull by the wires because you'll damage the wires. And then this one has a tiny little button right here. I had to use two hands to get this one off, but you push down that little release button and then you pull the connector out. It's so tiny I had to use two hands, and you have to be very careful. But yeah, you pull that out and then that's how you remove it. Now this thing comes as a whole unit. Here is the part number right here. And then I'm going to link on Amazon where to get one. They have these on Amazon. This one on Amazon is an aftermarket one, but it's a good one, and it covers a lot of different part numbers. This part has like 20 different part numbers. So all you got to do is look for your part number. Mine's right here. That's highlighted. And then if it has it on there, then you're covered. You could just get this one and we'll put it back in. It's like a OEM replica. You can go OEM if you want, but they don't sell the OEM one on Amazon. But basically, get your new one. And then we're just going to come and plug in the two connectors and then push it right back into place. So just go ahead and put these connectors in. The black one, you got to be careful because there's like a connector within a connector. You'll see what I'm talking about. But I mean, it's not hard. Just be careful and make sure you line it up straight. Push both connectors in. After they're in, you just line this up and gently push it into place. And then that's it, guys. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.